Replacing an outside light bulb. Many of our homes have an outside light unit above the doors, and bulbs can easily be replaced. You will need a posi drive screwdriver, which has a star-shaped tip, and replacement bulb ready. Ideally a PL9 fluorescent bulb or LED lamp. These are available from most DIY stores. If you need to use a step ladder, make sure it is steady and safe. If you are unsure, ask someone to hold the ladder for you. To change the bulb, first turn the interior switch off connected to your outside light. The switch will be by your front door or back door or above it. Remove the plastic light cover by unscrewing the case located on 3 sides. Remove the bulb inside and carefully replace. Then fit the cover using the screws you've removed. Now turn the interior switch back on and place your hand over the light unit sensor to check this activates the light to come back on again.